Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Happy Cinco de Mayo, May 4th, Cuatro de Mayo. There is so much green on this screen you cannot imagine. This has been a absolutely wild and crazy week. Stop the madness. This shit is on fire. We've had 3 days this week where we've had absolutely hundreds and hundreds of point reversals in this market. Amazing. I remember distinctly 2 days where we were down 150, we were down 350, ended up closing up 5. Today we were down 150, closed up 400. It was another day the same thing happened. This market is on fire. Unemployment numbers came out, lowest unemployment since the year 2000. Yes, they didn't meet expectations, but the revised last numbers, we are below 4% unemployment, the lowest since 2000. That is huge. People going back to work. Inflationary numbers were tampered down. That kept it fine. Yields were also down. That kept it fine. This market reversed in a huge way. There seems to be value in this market, and it's clear that whatever's going on in Washington, because apparently they are chattering, and the rhetoric and the narrative is all about the broken madness, business plan, coming out of Washington in absolutely every respect. Fake news, true news, this news, that news. Forget about it. Forget about it. Nothing in Washington has anything to do with this market. Let's be clear about that again. Nothing. They've had a really bad week. We've had a really good week. This market is on fire, ladies and gentlemen. Emotional selling, smart money buying. I've been saying it every single day. And I even got really honest with you yesterday, and I thought, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm wrong, but no! Einstein on fire. Emotional selling, smart money buying. Today, we're down 150 points on the opening. Market seemed fragile, down 15 handles on the S&P pre-market due to the under expectation and under delivering of the big expectations in the unemployment numbers, jobs added, and then people said, well, you know what, so what? Expectations. It's like we've seen earnings hit on a lot of fronts, although there was some fragility. We've seen, the narrative all week long has been about inflation, cutting economic growth worldwide, tariffs and fears, trade wars, NAFTA this, NAFTA that, tariffs, whatnot. But at the end of every day, this market is on fire. There's fresh money coming into it. It was a strange first week of May. Normally in the beginning of weeks, we do have fresh money coming into the market, but the narrative that was being spun seemed very negative. They had this market down. Actually, it was a 10% correction from the all-time high of 26.6. We got down to 23.8, and they bounced off that. I don't believe this is a technical bounce, although it was a retracement of 10%, seems reasonable. But every day, the reversals where you end up opening down, or you end up trading down, and you end up closing up, or you end up reversing 300, 400, 500 points, is a huge day. That shows that there are bargain hunters. There are people looking to buy this market. This is real money, real earnings, real profits, real business. This market is again at 24.3. Volume is sort of quiet today. The Russell up 20, that's value. S&P up 35, that's value. Gold up, strange. It's been the reverse of everything all week long. Oil almost at $70. This market's on fire. You got to be in it to win it. Stick with it. Emotional selling, smart money buying. We've seen reversals that are groundbreaking all week long. We were down 350 at one point, closed up 5. We were down 150, closed up 400. These are big reversals. That's money that gets emotional, narrative, negative in the morning. Europe closes, markets turn around, and we rally up 400 points. Closing the week up 350 points. Quite a show for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Quite a show for the S&P up 35. Quite a show up for the Russell. Einstein, I'm done for the week. I am tired. Inside Verstop. They're coming to New York. I'll be seeing you on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend. Giddy up. I love you.